Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Beagle 401k, a service designed to hunt down those old or forgotten retirement accounts you likely abandoned years ago. Because apparently, losing track of your life savings is a common hobby these days. Beagle promises to find your 401k and IRA accounts so you can see your future in one place. It's particularly useful if you've hopped through jobs faster than a seasonal intern and want to consolidate your scattered wealth. The app even flags accounts with high fees or poor performance, catching those sneaky costs that eat your savings while you're busy forgetting your old office door code. The platform offers a straightforward rollover process intended to save you time and a forest's worth of paperwork. However, don't expect a free ride, as Beagle charges a fee for their detective work. Shocking as it is, you actually have to pay for the privilege of finding your own money. And if your old accounts are nearly empty, the cost might outweigh the benefit. You'll also need to hand over your social security number, which is great if you enjoy sharing your most private data with yet another third party. Keep in mind that results aren't guaranteed, as even a digital bloodhound can lose the scent of a tiny account from a decade ago. Ultimately, Beagle is a solid tool for the disorganized serial job switcher who wants to stop bleeding fees and finally get their financial life together. If you've stayed at one company forever, or you're the type of person who tracks every penny in a color-coded spreadsheet, you can probably give this one a miss. It's really for the rest of us who need a bit of help cleaning up our professional trail of breadcrumbs. And that's the rundown. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.